Hello po! Once again, my name is Marichelle, one of the Senior Sales Manager of Casa VM Realty. Actually, this will be my official first vlog po. I listed a lot of topics pero mas gusto ko pong unahin ito. Kasi it will really help po lahat po ng mga kabayers natin. Alright? So what is the difference between the down payment and the equity? Okay? So, when you say down payment po, ito po yung portion ng TCP or total contract price. Sometimes, the developer is asking for 10% or 20%, especially pag pre-selling pa lang po yung property or di pa po na itatayo. Okay, so example po, the TCP is 1 million and the developer is asking for 10% down payment. Therefore, 100,000 is the total down payment. So when you say equity naman po, ito po yung staggered payment ng down payment. So sometimes they're offering 12 months or 24 months. So if the developer is asking for 24 months, therefore, your monthly equity will be 4,166.66. So wag po kayong malilito between the down payment and the equity. So keep posted po, marami pa rin po kaming topics na i-discuss. So pwede po kayong mag-comment kung ano po yung gusto nyong i-priority namin. Once again, my name is Marichelle, one of the Senior Sales Manager of Casa VM Realty. Thanks mga kabayers, keep posted po.